Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with a slightly different video, and we are actually doing an unboxing today, and this comes courtesy of Sneaker Science UK. Now I'm pretty excited because I actually bought their stuff prior to reaching out to them, and I was actually planning to customize some of my sneakers, but that hasn't worked out yet. If you are thinking of customizing and all of that good stuff to your trainers, Angelus is creme de la creme. So that's pretty much what I bought before I actually got this care package. So we are going to unbox this bad boy and see what they sent me. And if you are following me on the IG, you've probably had a sneak peek already. So we are going to go one by one. Ooh, okay. This is kind of what I needed anyway. So shout out to Ben, Sneaker Science UK. So we have Crepe Protect, UK's very own shoe trees. If you are ever thinking of selling something, this is a word of advice. It's not about what you're selling, it's how you package it. Look at this. Just watch me open this. Look. Oh my god. Probably the coolest shoe trees I've ever seen. So I've actually got two pairs, which is pretty nice because I needed some. Have a look at that. Crepe Protect. Shout out to them. Right, what do we have next? Boy, okay. I needed some of these as well. It's like they knew. It's like they knew. So I've got 5 sets of laces, which I kind of did need anyway. And these are from Lace Lab. So we've got these off-white style laces, which of course says shoelace on there. Some sale ones, which is pretty nice as well. Stick in your Jordans or something like that. And then we've got these sort of half and half laces, which is half creamy coffee and half black, which is kind of cool, I guess. I don't know if they're for me, but we'll try and make them work. And we've got this Sneaker Science UK laces, which are actually reflective. But that's a pretty nice touch. Okay. Air Max 90 air freshener for the car. Lovely. I'll take that. That's going straight in my whip. Lovely. Next, we've got sneaker shields, and haven't heard of these before, but it says new Gen X, new design for maximum comfort, allegedly. So I'll give that a go as well. I'll see. We're gonna have to see how these pair up with the other ones I actually do wear. But they look okay. Not gonna lie, they look okay. What do we have here? Ah, nice. We've got some paint brushes. Now these paint brushes do seem rather premium, if I do say so myself. That just looks like the bee's knees. Wow, this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool case as well, and I'm happy with that. So these have got me covered in terms of my customizational needs. I'm happy about that. Now I have been a bit cheeky. I did have a sneak peek before I actually showed it to you guys, and I couldn't help but use these already. They've actually sent me these stickers that are so cool. It's got like a sneaker twist with also these pop culture vibes. So we've got, obviously this is the Broski one, so that's my one. But of course we've got the Jurassic Park one with the Nike twist to it as well, which says homegrown. And then of course we've got the Boba Fett vibe with the Atmos style with the Nike swoosh as well. So next up is of course an Air Max 90 with a sort of rather wild twist. It's a bit creepy, but it will do. Now the last one they sent me is this one. It's like a Pokemon. Is it called, what's this Pokemon called? I can't remember the Pokemon's name. But it's got a Harachi as the sort of helmet or skull, which is pretty cool. Leave it down below. What's this Pokemon called? I really can't remember. That's a pretty cool sticker as well. So as you can tell by the stickers alone, I was so excited to get this care package. And if you do purchase stuff, hit the link in the description box because it does help out this channel a lot. But I do get so many questions in terms of where I buy my accessories from, so it was only right I wanted to plug them. But a big thank you to Sneaker Science UK. They didn't have to send me out none of this stuff. Anyways, broskies, that's enough from me. Thank you for watching as always. And leave it down below what accessories you're looking out for. Are you looking to upgrade your lace game, or are you even trying to customize your own pair? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best one. Anyways, broskies, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and until the next video, take care.